Happy Friday. So here's the reality of wire chopping. Once a year, you got to clean out the baghouse and change the filters. So baghouse this style, I think there's 240 filters. It took four guys, including myself, about 3 hours just to take the bags out. So now that the bags are out, we got a little bit of work we want to do on the inside, and we'll stay late and try to see how many of these bags we can put in. I'm assuming putting the bags in are going to take is going to take even longer. But anyways, the guys just got pizza, so we'll go wash up and do that. I'll take some more footage in a bit here. Happy Friday. Alright, so this turn closes away. Alright, so we're back up and running. We got a little snow on the ground. So I'm gonna climb up this ladder and show you what's inside. So this is the pile of bags that we got. And still gotta clean, there's a couple bags hanging there. And we're gonna climb up there. And I'm gonna show you where the bags go in and what it looks like with the air blast up there. All right, so at the top, we also just recently replaced the roof on that. We have a paint booth below that, and that air conditioner was right there, and it was leaking, and it actually rotted through the roof. It's a wooden roof. So behind this door, as it's going down. What's really cool about this is all the cages are inside the bag. So hopefully you can still hear me. But basically all the air is coming in from below down here and wants to push up through those bags. So to prevent the bags from collapsing, there's a cage that goes in and it keeps the bag rigid. So air blows up through there, and then the dust attaches to the bag itself. And then as this is going around and around and putting a puff of air down, it's loosening the dirt on the bag. And what happened, what's kind of the cause of all of our issues in the first place, was that tank that's spinning around, there's a Lovejoy connection at the top, and that Lovejoy connection fell down, got loose, and it was just pumping in one area, so it wasn't cleaning. This is going on for about a month or so. So now this is part of our weekly inspection. We got to climb up here and make sure it's good. So hope you like this video. It's snowed over a couple of days. We said we got some snow and worked a couple late nights. But happy Friday. Catch you in the next one.